Hi, this is Jason Robinson from Illustration by Design, and I am very excited to have opened up my door today and received this at my doorstep. If you look here very closely, it says EVS right there. Ethan Van Sciver. Yes, finally. After about a year, I've received Cyberfrog in the mail, and now I'm going to unbox it. Cyberfrog was the first of the Comicsgate series of books that I ordered online through crowdfunding, for better or for worse, it is now the latest I've received. It's been well over a year, but I'm very excited to finally get it and look at it, peruse it, and absorb it with my eyeballs. So I'm just going to open it up and take a look. So, hold on one second. The packaging is, okay. It's sent me an email. It's just a standard sort of cardboard packaging. Don't know what's inside, so it might be padded more inside, but it came in pretty good shape. Little bumps here, but it's not as good as the Gemini mailer, but that's okay. That's alright, as long as the comic inside is in good shape. How do I open this? Tab. There we go. There we go. There we go. Alright. Now, let's open. Oh, there we go. Yay. Okay. Let me peek inside. Okay, cool. There's cardboard inside to help reinforce that that is good. That is good. That is good. Cool. Chromium cover. Very cool. Very cool. Very cool. Very cool. Hold on one second. Let me just make sure there's nothing else in here. Put that there. Hold that there. Push this in. Hold that in place. Now, let me look inside this thing. Alright, this is empty. Alright, I got everything out. Now, what is this? I got the comic book, Cyberfrog. Ooh, very nice. Very, very nice. It is in a plastic sleeve, which is very good. With a backing board. Very cool. But that looks great. Man, that's very nice. Ethan Van Sciver, Kyle, the Critter Ritter, and Somni. I don't know who Somni is. Kyle Ritter is a colorist for Cyberfrog, and he's done a beautiful job. But this cover is great. Wow. Very nice. Yeah. So that's the book itself. What is this? I guess these are the extras that came with it. So this is a bookmark, it looks like, and a big round sticker. Or a coaster. I'm not sure. I think it's a sticker. I'll put that aside. Anyway, let me open this up and take a look at Cyberfrog. The cover is beautiful. Let me turn this over. Now, I have not, on purpose, looked at any of the reviews for Cyberfrog so far. I'm going to do my own review. I don't want anyone else's opinions to sort of color my views of what's in this book. So I'll post that in the coming week once I look at this. But so far, so good. Oh, wow. Dang. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. That looks really nice. Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. I'm just touching it just to... It's not embossed or anything, but it looks really cool. Wow. Is this embossed? It looks embossed, but I'm touching it. It doesn't feel embossed, so... But it's a great cover. Wow. Okay. Let me open it up. See, oh wait, it is embossed. I'm feeling the inside now. It's not embossed on the front, but inside you can see the. I don't know if you can see it, but you can see the where it's been sort of debossed on the inside. It just doesn't. It doesn't transfer to the front, which is weird to me. Anyway, it's weird. Why? If you can't feel on the front, why even have it on the inside? I don't know. Anyway, I'm just going to flip through it really roughly. There's Ethan's signature. Cool. That's cool. He's got like a little circle, almost like a cardboard. This is a sort of like a miniature version of the comic book boards that artists used to draw on. So this page, this first front page, is actually kind of cardboardy. That's kind of neat. I think it's kind of interesting. All right, let me flip through this. It looks pages look. I've heard this. It does. The pages do have sort of a wrinkly look to it, if you can see that, and I guess that's due to oversaturation of the inks in the pages. And the pages themselves they feel thin. It feels almost like onion skin paper. If you guys, I don't know if you guys are, some of you guys may not be old enough to be familiar with onion skin paper. Onion skin paper was used, oh man, what was it used for? I mean, decades ago. They might still use it, but I think it was used in typing and stuff, but it's very thin paper. This is, okay. That's not that hot. I don't even think this is as thick as standard comic book newsprint paper. It might be, but it feels really thin. Okay. Despite that, I'm just gonna flip through this a little, and I don't want to. The art is great. Sheesh. Ethan Van Sciver is a really, really good artist. Really good. And again, the coloring by Kyle Ritter is just wow. Very impressive, very impressive, very impressive. I'm gonna have to, cool. Cool. Wow, a lot of stuff happening. It looks like. I'm definitely gonna have to read this. Let's see. Now. Yeah, it looks good. It has some bonus material in the back. I'll have to flip through that as well. Not yeah. I'm gonna have to give it a read. So, but my initial impressions are, it looks really good. Again, I haven't read it. Don't know, other than the art looking really good, how the writing is, but overall it looks good. Packaging looks okay. Again, the pages are very thin. The actual weight of the pages is very thin, but the cover is beautiful. I kind of like this this interior front page here. That's more cardboardy, and yeah, again, the general look of it is really nice. So, but that's my unboxing of Cyberfrog. I'm gonna take some time, give it a read, and then come back later on and post a review of this book. But yeah, so far so good. So I'm looking forward to reading it. And yeah, thank you very much, Ethan, for finally getting it to us. Let me read it, and then I'll comment more on it. But it looks good. it came in good condition. I'm happy with what I've seen so far. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and yeah, hopefully you've gotten your copy of Cyberfrog, whether it's a Chromium cover or one of the other 5,000 different versions of the covers that Ethan's put out, and you've enjoyed this comic as well. And I think it's actually still available. You can get other versions of this book. So yeah, if you haven't bought it already, you can always go online on Indiegogo and check it out yourself and buy it. Okay. So anyway, I will talk to you guys later. You guys take care and have a great day. Okay.